Sheffield, a melting pot of students from around the world, welcomes you to Westbar House, the perfect student residence for your time in the city. Featuring a wide range of studios and two-bedroom apartments, this student housing offers you the ultimate university experience you've dreamt of. The rooms are beautifully furnished with everything you need, including a comfy double bed, wardrobe, a dedicated study area with a desk, and ample wardrobe space for your belongings. Step outside your bedroom door and take advantage of the property's fabulous on-site social spaces. Meet your neighbors and hang out at the communal lounge or soak up the Sheffield sun in the outdoor courtyard. Want to stay fit? Get your sweat on at the state-of-the-art fitness center or have some fun challenging your friends in the games area. Living here means you will have easy access to both the University of Sheffield and Sheffield Hallam University, which is just 15 minutes short stroll away. On the way home, you can pick up some groceries from the local food supermarket or head to the Blue Moon Cafe for a hearty vegetarian lunch. And when it comes to dining, shopping, entertainment, you're just a stone's throw away from the best Sheffield has to offer. Make the most of your university life here at Westbar House. Head to emberstudent.com and book this home today.